Hello children, this is 5th standard max. Chapter name is Money in Everyday Life. So here to find cost price, formula. Cost price means selling price minus profit if profit. Uh, to find the cost price when loss means selling price plus loss. At the same time here percentage of profit. So percentage of profit formula is profit by cost price into 100 and percentage of loss formula is loss by cost price into 100. So percentage means in some shop or for example Mitra or any online shop, they give 70% discount or up to 70%. Up to 70% means for a particular product 70%, not for all products. If flat 20% or flat 30% means any for all product 20% discount is given. So here also profit, if anything profit is 5% profit or 25% profit. So that is here we are finding percentage of profit. 25% of profit means how to find the percentage. So for here formula is then percentage of profit equal profit by cost price into 100. So percentage of loss equal loss by cost price into 100. To sell any product or for example clothes or bags or anything, the dealer say you get 20% on this product. After 20% profit on this product. So how to calculate the percentage? For example, product cost is 5 lakh cost product is there. If you sell this product you get 20% profit on this product. Means how to find the percentage of profit. Percentage of profit equal profit by cost price into 100. It is not necessary always we have to get profit. So if loss means percentage of loss formula is there, loss by cost price into 100. So here find the selling price if cost price is rupees 50 and profit is 10% is given. So here percentage means it is a percentage of profit is given. So with the help of percentage of profit we have to find the selling price. So always percentage of profit is calculated on cost price. Percentage of profit or percentage of loss is calculated on cost price. So here CP is 50, profit 10% of 50 cost price. Always it is calculated on cost price, loss or profit. So 10% of cost price is 5. So 5 is a profit. Therefore selling profit means we have to add to the cost price. Loss means we have to subtract to the cost price. Now exercise 10.3 A main, find the gain or loss percentage. Now find the gain or loss. So here cost price is given. Cost price is 50 and selling price is 60. So here we have to find the gain or loss percent. Loss percentage is given. Gain or loss percentage. So gain or loss percentage. To find the gain or loss percentage means we want gain or loss. Gain means profit and loss means loss. So here cost price is 50 means purchase price is 50 and selling price is 60. So here which is greater? Selling price is greater than cost price. Selling price is greater than cost price. So profit or loss? So we get profit. When selling price is greater than cost price, then we get profit. Okay. So here when selling price is greater than cost price, then we get profit. So first find the profit. Profit formula is always when we get profit means selling price is more than cost price. So how much? 60 minus 50, how much? 10. So profit is 10. Now percentage of profit. Formula to find percentage of profit. What we have to find? Percentage of profit. We have profit now. We got profit here rupees 10. So we have to find percentage of profits. Find percentage of profit or loss. Formula is percentage of profit equal profit. What is the formula? Profit by cost price. Profit. You have to learn formula properly. All formula related to this chapter. First write down all formula related to this chapter, then learn it. Percentage of profit equal profit by cost price into 100. So profit is 10. 10 by CP is how much? 50, no other extra charges, into 100. 0 0 cancel, 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. So 10 into 2 is 20%. So what is the percentage of profit? 20%. So selling price is 60, cost price is 50. So 20% profit on this product means 10 rupees is a profit. Now second question, cost price is here 1250 and selling price is 1000. So first we have to find profit or loss. So first find profit or loss. So which is greater here? CP is greater or SP is greater? Cost price is greater. So purchase price is greater than selling price. If selling price is greater means we get profit. Now CP is a greater than SP. So here CP is greater than SP. So profit or loss? CP is greater than SP means we get loss. Okay. Then cost price is greater than SP means loss. So loss equal CP minus SP, which is a greater amount that we have to write first. So 1250 minus 1000 rupees. How much? 250 is a rupees 250 is a loss. Now we have to find percentage of loss. Percentage of loss equal loss by cost price into 100. So here loss is 250. 250 by cost price is 1250 into 100. 0 0 cancel. 5 twos are 10, 5 ones are 5. Okay, 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10 means 2 carry. 5 fives are 25. 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. 2 carry. So 25. 5 fives are 25. 1 is up, 1 is down. Okay, up and down. Numerator once and denominator we have to cancel. And here 25 and 250 also divided with 25 ones are 25. 25 ones are 25. So 10. So percentage of loss is equal to 10%. Percentage of loss is 10%. Sorry, here 10 into 2 is there. 10 into 2 is 20%. Percentage of loss is 20%. Now we have to find third question. Cost price is 12,000, selling price is 9,000. So which is a greater one? Cost price is greater or selling price is greater? Which is a greater one? That we have to check. Which is a greater, cost price or selling price? Cost price is 12, selling price is 9. So CP is greater than SP. CP is greater than SP means we get loss. Loss is occurring. So loss formula is CP, which is a greater one, minus SP formula. Loss formula. So cost price is, purchase amount is 12,000. Then we sold that product for 9,000. For example, purchased a washing machine for 12,000 and we sold that for 9,000. So it is a loss. How much? 10, 11, 12, 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees is a loss amount. 3,000 rupees is a loss amount. Then percentage of loss formula, loss by CP into 100. So loss is 3,000 by CP is 12,000. If any overhead charges, repair amount means we have to add to the cost price. Then only the new amount will become the proper cost price. 20 cancel. 3 ones are 3. 0 0 0,000. Okay. 3 fours are 12 and 1 0. 2 zeros already cancelled there. Now 1000 by 40. 1000 by 40. 1000 by 40 means 0 0 cancel. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 2 carry. 4 fives are 25. So here percentage of loss is 25%. What is the answer? 25%. Next is B main. Find the selling price. Cost price is 24 and profit is 20%. So here profit, percentage of profit, 20 percentage. So this is not a profit amount, percentage of profit. This symbol is given, percentage symbol is given, means there is a percentage of profit, not profit amount. So first we have to find profit. So how to calculate profit? If selling price is given, means it is easy to calculate profit. Selling price minus cost price is a profit. But only cost price is given and percentage of profit also given in the question. So how to find? So profit or percentage of profit or loss is always calculated on cost price. Okay, profit by CP into 100. No. So here profit is 20% on CP. Always profit or loss is on, always we have to calculate profit or loss on cost price. So profit is 20% on CP, cost price. So what is the 20%? 20 by 100 into 24. Okay. So 0 0 cancel and 2 5s are 10. Okay. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now 12 into 2 is 24 by 5. 12 into 2 is 24 by 5. 24 by 5 means 5 ones are 5. 5 fours are 24 remainder. Point, decimal point means we can get 0. 5 eights are 40. So 4.8 rupees. 4.8 rupees. This is a profit amount. Okay, profit amount. Profit equal. Profit is calculated on given percentage and always on cash cost price. So profit is 4.8%. Now we have to find selling price. Selling price, when profit is given, means selling price is equal to CP plus profit. Profit is added in the purchase amount. Profit is added in the purchase amount. So selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. If loss means cost price minus loss. So here CP is how much? 24 plus 4.8. So 24 plus 4 is 28 and 0.8. Answer is rupees 28.8. Selling price is rupees 28.8. Next is cost price is 2500, loss is 20%. So first here percentage of loss is given, it is not a loss. So first we have to find loss. So loss is calculated on, loss is 20% of CP. Loss is 20% of CP cost price. So 20% means, percentage means how to write 20 by 100. No, percentage means how to write 20 by 100 into CP is how much? Cost price is 2500. Now 0 0 cancel. Then 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 2. So 2 into 25 is 50. 2 into 25 is 50. 50 plus 0 is 500. Rupees 500. So loss is amount 500. 25 twos are 50 and this 0 is 200. Now we have to find selling price. Selling price formula, selling price is equal to cost price. Then here profit or loss? Yeah, we got loss. Loss means we have to minus from CP. So write all formula related to this chapter at first, like then learn it properly, children. So cost price is 2500 minus loss is 500. Now 2500 minus 500 is 2000 rupees. Loss, selling price is 2000 rupees. Next, third question. CP is 64, profit is 6.1 by percentage. So this is percentage of profit, not profit. Okay, this is a percentage of profit. How to convert 6 1 by 4 means this is mixed fraction. We can convert into improper fraction, or 6 plus 1 by 4 means how much? 0.25. No? Carlo. So, quarter, 6 plus 1 by, 6 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 6 plus 0.25. 0.25 means equal to 6.25. Okay. So, percentage is this 6.25. Convert fraction into decimal number. So, we get decimal number here. 6 plus, convert this fraction, divide 1 by 4. So, we get 0.25. So, 6 plus 0.25 is 6.25. Now, we have to find profit. Profit is calculated on cost price. Is calculated on how much percentage? 6.25 percentage on CP. Calculated on CP. So here 6.25 percentage means by 100. Percentage means what? 6.25 by 100 into of CP is how much? 64 into 64. Now decimal point, no? So multiply 64 into 6.25, you get 400. Okay, multiply this. 64 into 6.25, you get 400 by 100. This is a easy one. Otherwise, divide it 6 decimal and number with divide, and you can add it. So if you multiply, you get 400.00. 400.00 means 400. After decimal point 0, we can ignore it. So 464 into 6.25 is 400. Now divide 0 cancel. 10 ones are 10 fours are 40. So profit is how much? Profit is 4. Profit here 4. Now we have to find selling price. Sorry, not percentage. Percentage of profit is given. With the help of percentage of profit, we calculate profit. Now we have to find selling price. To find selling price, we want profit or loss amount. So here profit. So cost price plus profit. Formula is cost price plus profit. So cost price is how much? 64 rupees plus 4. So 64 plus 4 is rupees 68 is a selling price. Now fourth question, cost price is 350, loss percentage is 5%. So first we have to find loss. Loss is calculated on 5% of cost price. Okay, 5% of cost price. Now loss equal 5% means 5 by 100. How to write 5% means 5 by 100 into, what is the cost price? 350. 0 cancel. 5 2s are 10. 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. 35 by 2. So 35 by 2 means 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 carry. 2 7s are 14. Decimal point means get 1. So here with the help of decimal point 0, 2 how much are 10, 2 5s are 10. So here 17.5 is a loss, rupees 17.5. Rupees 17.5 is a loss. Now we have to calculate selling price. So here to calculate selling price, we want loss amount. So loss amount we have now 17.5. So now selling price equal cost price. So here profit or loss? Loss means minus loss. This is a formula. Cost price is rupees 350 minus loss is 17.5. So how to divide it? Subtract it. 350. How to write? 17.5 or 350 17.5. Which is a correct one? This is correct or this? This one is correct. This is wrong. So here decimal point 7 of before decimal point number is ones place. First number is ones place. This is ones, tens. Okay, this is 1 by 10th. So point, so we can put point 0 here. So, here 0.0 minus 5 we can't borrow 1. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Now here 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. Now here 4. 4 minus 1 is 3 and 3. So answer is rupees 332.5 or 50 paise. Rupees 332.5. Next is exercise 10.3. C means solve. A pen was bought for rupees 20 and sold for rupees 25 rupees. 00 means paise. So bought for 20 means purchase price or CP, cost price. Always purchase price become the cost price. Cost price is 20 and selling price is 25. Find the profit percent. So find the profit percent means first we have to find the profit, then percentage. Okay, if any we have to find the percentage means first we have to find profit or loss, then percentage. Now here a pen was bought for rupees 20 and sold for rupees 25. Find the profit percentage. So here cost price of a pen. So how much? 20. And selling price of a pen is 25 rupees. Therefore profit, because selling price is greater than cost price. Profit is how much? 5 rupees. Then first find the profit, then percentage of profit equal. Profit is that we find it last. Okay, percentage profit by CP into 100. This is a formula. So profit is 5. After calculating, 5 divided by 20 into 100. So after simplification you get 25%. Next, second one, a pen was bought for rupees 25. Okay, a pen was bought for rupees 25 and sold for rupees 20. Find the loss percent. Find the loss percent. So I am using here red ink pen, but you don't use red ink, children. Question in black and answer in blue. Only 2 pen. Okay, cost price of pen is 25 and selling price of pen is 20. So here which is greater? Cost price is greater than selling price means we get loss. So then loss formula, loss equals CP minus SP. How much cost price is how much? 25 minus 20. How much? 5 rupees. What is the loss amount? Loss amount is 5 rupees. Now then we have to find the percentage of loss. First we have to find loss, then only we can find percentage of loss. So percentage of loss equal, what is the formula? Loss means 5 by CP is how much? 25 into 100. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, or we can simplify with 5 also. Now 5 into 4 is 20. So percentage of loss is 20%. Percentage of loss is equal to 20% and loss amount is 50. Next question, third one. Ganesh bought a scooter for rupees 45,000 and sold it for rupees 40,000. So here purchased scooter for rupees 45,000 and sold for 40,000. So profit or loss? Here cost price is greater than selling price, so loss. Find is percent of loss. To find the percentage of loss means first we have to find loss, then only we can find percentage of loss. So cost price of scooter is rupees 45,000 and selling price of scooter is 40,000. Okay, so here selling price, cost price is greater than selling price, so we get loss. So loss formula is loss equal cost price minus selling price. So what is the cost price? 45,000 minus selling price is 40,000 equal 5 rupees. 5,000 is a loss amount. Loss amount is 5,000. So now we have to write here percentage of loss equal, loss is 5,000 by CP is how much? 45,000 into 100. Now we have to cancel it. Cancel with the 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, then 5 9s are 45, 0, 5 1s are 5, 1000. Now 1000 by 90, 0 0 cancel, so 100 by 9. 100 by 9 means how much? 100 by 9 means divide it here 9 to 100. 9 ones are 9. Minus means 10 minus 9 is 1. And this 0 down again 9 ones are 9. Minus means 1. Decimal point means we get 0. 9 ones are 9. It is a recurring number. Okay. Recurring again 9. So 11.1% or 11.11%. So percentage 11.11. After dividing we get 11.11 percentage. Now next, a milkman bought milk at rupees 40 per liter. So 1 liter 40 rupees and sold it at rupees 50 per liter. So both are per liter. If one is given with per liter, for another one is for 5 liter, means we have to convert into same unit. So here both are same unit. It is also for purchase amount all in a per liter and selling amount also in per liter. Okay, cost price is 40 rupees per liter, 40 rupees or 40 per liter we can write. Selling price 50 rupees or 50 per liter we can write. So which is greater here? Selling price is greater than cost price. So a purchase price is 40. He purchased for 40 rupees and he sold for 50 rupees. So here profit. Selling price is greater than CP means profit. Profit formula is selling price minus CP. So what is the selling price? 50 rupees minus 40 rupees means selling price is 10 rupees. Sorry, profit is 10 rupees. Okay, 10 rupees. Now we have to find percentage of profit. Percentage of profit equal profit by CP into 100. Now profit amount is 10. 10 by cost price is how much? 40 into 100. Now 0 0 cancel. 10 into 10 is 100 by 4. 100 by 4 means 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8, 2 carry, 4 fives are 20. So percentage is 25 percentage. Percentage of profit is 25. Next question, 250 gram butter was bought for rupees 54 and same quantity of butter sold for 52. So here unit are same, 250 gram purchased and sold same 250 gram butter for 52 rupees 50 paisa. Find the loss percent. So loss percent means first we have to find loss, then only we can find the percentage of loss. Here cost price 250 gram butter was bought. Bought means it is a purchase amount. Purchase amount is always cost price. 54 rupees. So here cost price is 54 rupees. Brought for 54 and sold for 52.50 rupees paisa. 52 rupees 50 paisa. A purchase for 54 rupees and sold for 52.50. So here see cost price is greater than selling price, means purchase amount is greater than selling amount, then we get loss. Okay, loss is occurred here. So CP minus SP is the formula. What is the CP? 54 minus 52.50. So here 54 minus 52. How to write? 54 minus 52 means 54.00 we have to write and 52.50. This is a very arrangement of number is very important in subtraction. Okay, so it's a 10 0. 10 minus 5 means 5. So here 3 minus 2 means 1. 1.50. 1 point. So here loss is 1.50. 1 rupees 50 paise or 1.5 rupees is a loss amount. Loss amount is 1.5. Now we have to find percentage of loss. Loss is 1.5 by cost price is how much? 54 into 100. Okay. Now multiply 1.5. So that is a better numerator into numerator we can multiply. Multiply 1.5 into 100 we get 1 5 and 0 0. After 1 point number means 150. 150 by 54. So it means 150 by 54. Decimal point means 150 by 54. We have to divide it 54 with 150, or we can simplify. And after decimal point 0 means there is a no value for that number. Now 54 divided 54 2s is 108, that is a nearer one. Minus means 150 minus 108 is 42, and decimal point means we get 0, 420 now. 54 7s is 378. Here minus means 420 minus 370 means again 42. It is a recurring number. Once decimal point means it is like a bank deposited. We can borrow 0. Any one time 0 we can borrow. So again 7 is a nearer one. It is a recurring 378. So answer is after dividing 2.77. Answer is 2.77%. Percentage of loss is 2.77 percentage. 2.77 percentage. Next, sixth one. A dozen clips are bought for rupees 6 and sold for rupees 0.60 paisa each. Find the loss or gain percentage. So here we have to find, yes, what is the cost price? 6. For dozen means 12. Okay, note, for 12 clips cost price is 6. For and 6 and sold it for rupees 0.60. Sold it for 0.6. For 12 clips 6 is a, for each means selling price. So selling price become 1. Here 1 dozen means it is equal to 12. So here 12 clips amount is 6 and sold 1 clip for 60 paisa. 60 paisa means for 12 how much? 12 into 0.6. For 1 clip for 60 paisa. So 12 clip how much? 12 into 0.6 is 7.2. 7.2. Now cost price of clip is 6. It is given in the 6 rupees for 12. And selling price for 12 clips. Selling price for 12 clip is how much? Cost price for 12 clips is 6 rupees. And selling price for 12 clips is how much? 7.2 rupees. Okay. 12 clips cost price is 6 rupees. 12 clips selling price is 7.2 rupees. So here selling price is greater than cost price, then we get profit. Profit formula 7.2 is a selling price and 6 is a cost price. 7.2 minus 6 means 1.2 is a rupees. 1.2 is a profit. 1.2 is a profit. Okay. First for 1 dozen 12. Okay, 1 dozen equal to 12. So 12 clips cost price is 6. Then find the, it is given for each means 1 clip selling price is 60. So convert it into 12. So 12 how much means? 12 into 0.6 is 7.2. So 12 clip selling price is 7.2 rupees. Then profit is 1.2. Then find the percentage of profit. Profit is 1.2. Cost price is 6 into 100. So numerator into numerator we can multiply 1.2 into 100. 1.2 into 100 we get 1120.0. After decimal point 0 means no value, so no need to write. 12 and double 0 means after we get 120.0. We can ignore that point 0. Now by 6. So here 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12 and 0 20 percentage. So here percentage of profit is 20%. Vishnu brought a sofa set for rupees 55,400. So brought means is purchase amount. This is a cost price. How much? 55,400 rupees. 55,400 rupees. And sold it again. Gain of 8%. So percentage of profit is percentage of profit. How much? 8%. Percentage of profit is 8%. Always percentage of profit is calculated on cost price. So profit 8% of cost price means 8 by 100 into 54,400. Always percentage is profit is calculated on cost price. So here 0 0 cancel. Now 8 into 554. 8 into 554 is rupees 4,432 rupees. So here profit is, to find profit, so cost price is given and percentage is 8 pence. Always profit or percentage of profit or loss is calculated on cost price, not on selling price. So purchase amount. Okay. So here 55,400 into 8%. 8% means 8 by 100. Always percentage means 8 by 100. 55 by 400. And 0 0 cancel means 8 into 554 is 4,432 rupees. That is a profit. Now we have to find selling price. Formula is cost price plus profit. So cost price is 54,400 plus profit is 4,432. So after adding 54,400 plus 4,400 is total is 59,832 rupees. Selling price is then 59,832. Next is a eighth question. Bolu brought bananas for rupees 60. He want to make a profit of 12.5% on them. 12.5 means 12 plus half means 0.5. Okay, so 12.5%. For how much should he sell the bananas? So here cost price is given. Cost price is how much? 60. And percentage of profit. Then we have to find profit. Cost price is how much? Rupees 60. And percentage of profit is 12.5. 12.5% means it become 12.5%. 12.5%. Now profit or loss is calculated on CP. When percentage is given, then profit or loss is calculated on cost price. So here profit equal, percentage is given 12.5 by percentage means 12.5 percentage means 12.5 by 100 into CP. CP is 60. Okay. 0 0 cancel. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6. Now 12.5. Again 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 2 carry. This decimal point we have to write as it is. 5 2s are 10. 2 remainder. So 25. This decimal point we have to write as it is. 5 5s are 25. 2.5. So 2.5 into 3. 2.5 into 3 is how much? 2.5 into 3 is 7.5. So profit is rupees 7.5. Now we have to find selling price. Selling price formula is cost price plus profit. If profit means plus, loss means minus here. So what is the CP? CP is 60. and profit is 7.5. 60 plus 7 is 67. 67.5 rupees. That is the selling price. Selling price amount. Now a bicycle brought for rupees 6,800. So cost price 6,900 and loss for 5% means percentage of loss. Then we have to find loss. So okay, CP is how much? 6,800 rupees and percentage of loss is 5%. Or we can just written percentage of loss, just 5 is enough. So always percentage is calculated. 5 means 5 into 100 on CP 6,800. Okay, 0 0 cancel. Now 5 into 60, 5 into 68, 5 into 68, 68 into 5 is 340 rupees. 340 rupees. So this is a loss amount. Now loss, selling price is equal CP minus loss. CP is how much? 6,800 minus loss is 340. 6,800 minus 340 is 6,460 rupees. 6,460 rupees the selling price and loss is 340 and selling price is 6,460. Next 10th one, a book bought for rupees 105 rupees and he sold at a gain of 20%. So percentage is given. So now we have to find profit. Gain means profit, children. Find the selling price. So what is the CP? Rupees 105 and percentage of gain is profit is 20%. So profit is 20% means 20 by 100 into cost price is 105. Now simplify. 0 0 cancel. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Then 2 1s are 2 cancel, 2 1s are cancel. Now here profit amount is how much? 21. Profit is rupees 21. Now we have to find selling price. Cost price is how much? 105 plus profit is 21. So 105 plus 21 is 126 rupees. 126 rupees. This is the selling price.